Hi. So this is task 1 of the experimental communications module. It's the temporary typography task, which builds on the making that we did in the session. So obviously what you can see on screen here are the BBC Two logos of a few years ago, but you can see they're all physical things. There's some in water, some paint splashing over, there's some sort of rusty and concrete, there's fabric, there's things dropped into powder, all sorts of stuff. But what I need you to do is this. So briefing today, lots of links here for you to look at. They're all from the Lo Siento site, so do go and really study that website. There's so much inspirational stuff there. And check the projects page. And the task is, you are to make your letter, and you've been given a letter that you've made in cardboard, but you are now to make it in another form. Make it out of something else. I'm not going to tell you what. I will give you some examples of what students have done in the past. But what we're after is something that will look good, something that will be experimental, innovative, interesting. So you want to make it, get really good images of the thing that you've made. So stills of the thing you've made. Then I want you to destroy it, and I want you to video the destruction of it, and then I also want some really good stills of what's left. There should be nothing left. There shouldn't be a final piece. What it is all about is about you making something and documenting the process of it being destroyed. It's all about process, and it's all about taking imagery from one context and then looking at applying it into a design context. So to start with, what we're doing is we're making something interesting, then we're destroying it. So that's it. So examples of things that people have done before. For instance, last year we had some fantastic biscuits made, Jammy Dodger biscuits. If you go and look at the 20 Degrees website and look at the show reel, you'll see there's a letter A. In fact, it was Phoebe Watts. If you look at Phoebe Watts, there is plenty of stuff of that, and it's about her eating the biscuit as well. People have made cakes, people have melted butter, people have made things out of match heads, and set fire to it. We had one student who had a friend who was a farmer in Norfolk, took her piece to his farm, and they destroyed it with a shotgun, so slow motion footage of the thing being destroyed. Somebody else made the letter by digging a hole in the shape of a letter, and so the destruction of it consisted of her filling the hole back in again. There's ice, there's concrete, all sorts of interesting things, but think about how you record it, good quality, get the best you can. We're going to be looking at photography and video and how to make the most of the cameras you do have access to. But at this stage, maybe you still want to book something out and just try it and see. But I want you to really try it. I don't want you just getting your phone out. These should all from now on be things that could be used in your portfolio. So that's it, making things and then destroying it. Now, all of these tasks, what I'm going to do is I don't really want you to spend more than a week on them. But I'm actually suggesting on the brief that I allow you 2 weeks. So there'll be a rolling set of briefs that go week 1, week 2, and then you get given another one, week 1, week 2, and another one, and they'll just overlap. So it'll give you a little bit of flexibility in how you do it. But generally, I don't think you should be spending more than 1 week on any of these projects. And obviously 1 week, it's per module. 40 hours in total, divided by the 3 modules, that's about 13 hours. So I don't want you spending any more than 13 hours on this task, but it might be spread over 2 weeks if that helps. I just want these to be quick, short pieces. In the past, we've had students produce great pieces of work, 10 weeks work. That's not what these are about. These are about working quickly. So 2 week deadline. This is the piece, and have fun with fire, water, ice, food, custard, butter, shotguns, piñata, bonfire nights coming up, fireworks, cars, run them over. Lots of possibilities, but be safe. Okay, that's it. Cheers, bye.